Morning, top gallo, top Janelle Lawton. Good morning, beautiful, great rising. I look tired. Life is tidy. Dubai. Hello from Dubai. Morning. Make a music video. Pranking a girl. Why? I was happy for meet with. That's nice. Right. What a nice view. Hard work, Pierre, thank you. He's been looking for a way to meet you. You want to meet me? Come find me at Ocho. I'm in Ocho right now. St. Anne's, Jamaica. Hello from Chile. I miss Jamaica. You want to do music together? Okay, JP, you want us to do music together? How is my morning? Beautiful and nice. Just wait. Miss Sleep. So it's when I come to Jamaica. And I have a nice Airbnb here on the front. Can't cover him at now. It's beautiful. A nice garden one at the back. Just nice. Hey, Bumba. Then I drop it. No one drop. In the morning, cock-a-dig-a-doo. Nice to see one at the back garden. Big and nice. Swimming pool around there. Right on the front, yes, sir. I don't have to drive far in after the main. Nice. Peacefully. Nice, calm. Then I'm gonna get Queenie with the deal. Restaurant up there, sir. The next restaurant is there. Nice from the front line, yes, sir. Look. Look like you just walk across the road and you're going into the sea. I so appreciate Jamaica. I appreciate every little bees, every little birds. Every little thump, every little stone. It is something to appreciate. It's all Mother Nature. Beautiful, you know. From last night, I go on my bed. I lay wait to see if we wake up. From around 5 more, I wake up, you know. Jump up flat. Pussy flat. Morning. Blessed love rasta, man. A whole heap of mosquito up here, sir. Man, she's hey, Jamaica festive. Clean every morning. The people them get up and thief. Everything down here, dear. Everything down here, dear. I wonder how the people them survive. Because I wonder about myself how me survive to pussy clot. But through me I run away bomber clot. So they don't go the road guy back to Britain. But no man, Jamaica hard enough. You fuck. Yeah. Everything raised. What was the $80 gone to $250? Every mama bumper blood clot. I rate the people them come, I wonder how some of them survive. I hide from some of them coming. I mean, nobody stress me out. But I can't give my speech about it, but I now take it up on my head. Cost of living getting higher. But I just Jamaica alone is a world inflation. Jamaica dare it. Things them dare it. I said some go bank for 200,000 done. 200,000 is £1,000. Rough check. I go bank on 3 days and straight go draw £2,000. I mean I know the money though. And it's like it was numb my brains. Come here so the fuck. But you know the good thing out of all of that 200,000, I put on the new rims them on the Jeep. But me I telling you. Right crazy, me can't tell you, me down here from June. Down here hard there, fuck you have to know. Oh, to wipe your lip, I got Ochi. I'm asking man how much I ask her, and she said 3,800. No, me not knock nobody price, you know. It could have been all for 6 grand, but me not blood clot by it. You understand me? And them have to sell it for 3,800 car axle there, and the era was the thin. So 6 or 1/2 dozen of them, I not knock it, but I not pay it. The way out, the people them agree with me. They have 5 grand. I'm sit down there, my husband, and I said, do it. And we name celebrity. And if you tell them people, I say, we don't got blood clot 5 grand, and we can't find 6,000, 7,000 for buy the 2 axle. I say, oh, I take 1,000 rice clot that longer buy a piece of jerk chicken. You understand? You don't really want to sit down and enjoy that plate of oxtail. You understand me? But the things I'm so dear, you have to economize, you have to make it stretch. I say, when the girl left enough this is not we never go for buy oxtail. You know where I pass a tour, even one girl came in our shop and I said, Queenie just spend. I said, darling, I'm not going to buy what I don't want. But at the end of a good day, she now realize, say, I'll do my name blood clot Queenie, I'm not print money. So if she take me, kidnap me like her in her blood clots to her, I say, Queenie, try that one here. Don't take that one there, that handbag. I say, girl, I don't want nothing. I just have fat in my eye. I $5,000 I have, you know. And the 2 food I pay 2,816. So 7,000. I saw 7,600 Jamaican. Yeah. And me say, I love Queenie. Yeah, because I'm not course. You can't come down here and argue with the people them and tell them, say, it too there. But you know your heart and you say you don't fucking have it, so you wipe. Take your lip, your spit, and wipe your blood clot lip. I'm just spend that 10 minutes to the girl and talk and take pictures and sit down. Yeah, Queenie, now about the other food. Hear me now. I love Queenie. Hear me now. May I wait for my friend and our man. When they come to our hand, I just take time. Yeah. So with all due fairness now, you're there at Jamaica now and you go for buy one axle for 3,800 and you don't have it. You cannot blame nobody more than you swallow your fucking spit, take your tongue and lip your lip, and just sit back and say, you overtaste this, juicy beef, mothers. You have to balance the thing, my dear. So now you're going to buy one patty for $270 and it's full belly and a cocoa bread. So you still not reach. I want a juice. Me know I want my drink. God bless it. Well, Yeah, but Axel all over the world. But me just show you the price of a plate of dinner on the North Course. Now, if you are coming on the North Course and your money is not budgeted for the North Course, I advise you to come see me. Because the mother nature is priceless. So if you take in the scenery, say for the broth now, I'm gonna fry up 2 little fried dumplings. Fry 2 little fritters. I don't lie. Get 1 loaf of bread. Mix some lemonade and put some ice in it or put it in our igloo. And put it in a car back and hit the fucking road. No make nothing stop on us still. I just say, you know, so Jamaica expensive. Hey, Mr. Them give me some blood clot robbing down here. I'm going like them don't know, so them rob me, you know. I have to start telling them, so listen, me a Jamaican, you know. Not because I live in England. Only not give me a queen price because I'm a ghetto. Me's not a stocked up queen. You understand me? Mm-hmm. Me's not a stocked up queen, me's a down to earth queen. So I forget down to earth price. But Jamaica, dear, no, the act still worth it. But me never have it. A 5 grand me and my husband have. Yeah. And I don't like England where you can use your bank card as you feel like you can, you know. But the charges were put to us. I say, I got draw 30,000 out of my something. Out of my Halifax card. Because I couldn't wait for go. Got to take out one next 200,000. Blood clot. Right, crazy? Jamaica expensive. I not like, sometimes I see some people ask me for things. And I give me no one and give them enough. But I give it too much and then left my blood clot self stranded. You understand me? Yeah. Some more time I have to just hide. But, you know what with the beauty with Jamaica, yeah? The real authentic people them around, they don't give a fuck whether you have it, whether you give them anything, or whether you have nothing to give them love you for who you is, but the majority. I say when the woman I say I buy something, I say, lady, I not buy nothing I don't want. Moreover, I not even wear them blood clots on the shop force me for buy. You understand? But it just show you the production of Jamaica. I say where place name? KFC. I think KFC is fucking overrated and disgusting. Them a 9 mega at Ochitown. But after all, me a queen when me look the line. I'm tired of KFC, see, man. I'm so tired of KFC, God knows. So anyway, I said, do it, me nasty. I want to add for buy 2 pieces of chicken. 3 pieces of chicken, because I buy a big deal for me and do it. So I slide in. 100 people want to take picture. As you know, 100 people want me there. As you know, I'm the queen. No. I'm going to the side of the, hey, man love challenge me, you know. Is that I'm too powerful? And some man just feel like them can't challenge me. No, I'm going to the side of the door. Man, not the door with the staff door there. Because the whole of blood clot them see me. And now give me none of free chicken. And then throw one coleslaw, one can in the box. You understand me? I'm so excited. Hey, Jamaica people appreciate me wicked and differently. You know, me appreciate you know. And we're going on the side, I'm knock the door. And when I knock the door, I'm security not there. You know, I knock the people that were inside I serve and I pack out for them. Acknowledge me, the queen. So one boy look and see me, said to me, one young boy said to me, say, no, another door enough to come. I said, no, it's another door here, I come. But I am the queen and I am not going to stand here forever after I walk and enter to see the whole world free. Me thinks me should I get leniency. Him say, like him say, him can. I say, call the manager, madam. The supervisor. By the time I say something to him, the security come now out to me there. He did say excuse me, but remember I'm full of principle even though I'm hugging I'm quick. So even though I'm saying excuse me, him a bolt past me. So I say, hello, calm down. Why you need to attack me? Him say, you're not supposed to knock the door. Mr. Sir, I am the queen. I want 2 dege 2. Remember 3 pieces of chicken I want to know. I change all my mind now because I want to get served quicker. I don't want them rush me come. I go rush them blood clots to me. I be nice. So, him say, no, you can't do it at the door. Yeah. No. As a security guard, you have right to tell me that I cannot knock the door. But it's a fucking door, fam. So if me knock the door, that means me have principle. That means me want something behind the door. So in order to get attention, I have to knock the fucking door because you weren't there. So I said to the security, because remember the youth gotta look for the manager. I said, security, you can't ask him. No, them can't do it. I said, security, calm down. Why you behaving like that? Your attitude stink for nothing. So it's when I ask him for call the people them. I don't know why them bumble well like a piece more. I'm a pussy on the wall, I'm show down, I'm a blood clot down and then take me on camera, go string me. I'm not left down here because I'm band blood clot down in time I feel for left, I'm comfortably here. And it's the truth. So I feel some type of way, but I say, Queenie man, you're so sensitive. I'm a sensitive body that people that do it. So I see the man dealing with me, just what. Yes, when I said to himself, can you please ask the supervisor that Queen is here and I only need 2 pieces of chicken? That time I 3 more want to that. I love Queenie that. Can you stop blood clot, ball, man? I bex my bet. Yeah. The nice security man, you know. Him claims them nice, you know, but them not have no blood clot manners. Them not cause blood clot. Them not cause pussy clot. Them not cause ras clot. And them not have no customer service, darling. So when Mrs. said the man hurt my feelings, I true me know I'm sensitive and I want all blood clot English woman in Jamaica. Yeah, I'm sensitive. When people deal with me a certain way, it hurt me. And when I see security going out of the room, if I call the supervisor for me, I just take time and screech to come out of KFC. I did not like his approach. I didn't like him speak to me, but I hold it. And Mr. Ryan crazy. I come out of blood clot KFC down a ras clot Otra that's up on the north coast of a day. And I walk around at the drive queue. Everybody in the blood clot line. I take picture. I say, boy, I tell you, I'm one blessed woman, you know. And I say, you see, when I got when I say, miss, I want 5 hot wings. That's all. But you know, I want coleslaw. Because the people that in the line, I'm go inside, go ask. I'm in no contract with nobody. So now, bumble one, me asking a blood clot this, pussy ass clot this. Me and the bumble pussy blood clot get a slash blood clot down to earth queen. We're strength for the nation, every moment bumble blood clot. Me not supposed to get leniency. Now bumble one not supposed to argue and vex with me. If me get like a blind come and work harder, me a bumble pussy blood clot celebrity. Me not supposed to argue with nobody. Back to this when this happened yesterday, I not even fucking remember, yeah. So in the morning, yesterday morning, now, I show you them not have no customer service and them I provoke my pussy tongue, you know. But I not show nobody else my pussy do. I'm married, so I stop to that. Anyway. So I don't know me and my husband the morning tour. I not wake up do it right now, because I wake late, because I don't want to see the sun from it just come out. Right on the north coast, telling us, so when I come, I can put that nice Airbnb there right over there. So anyway, so man, do we cut out yesterday morning, because we've been watching from when it was, from Tuesday. We went and done the thing, going to look a glass boat, so I come to that promotion down here. So we have spent a couple of days down here. Anyway, so man, do we wake up every morning early? We love us. As we wake him. Already, are we still him wake? And now wake me, you know. Me, him have to wake to fucking hell, fam. I need company. I'm obsessed with nature. Like I see my married in a twilight, it's when the sun arrives, when the sun has set. All of them things that fascinate me, this cloud. So anyway, I said, do it. More and lay with the, what's it called? The sun down at Orchard. Because I see when the sun is in Ouchie, you get a different view of morning time. You get Negril different, Portmore different. So I said to my husband, said, do it. I got in at the early morning, forget the morning view, do it, say, him I go carry me round the street, show me. Like we basically what my husband I said. Him said the sun, we turn one rascal at nature, mother nature, my husband. What do we basically? I said the sun come out over the other side, but through the trees and the sea and the water, the sea not come out yet, so the sun not come out, so I show me some animal lay with it in the car. You see that beautiful scenery. Lo and behold, we park up there maybe an hour, maybe two, because it's Jamaica and it's the north coast, on the front like that. Anyway, we just park up on the side road and enjoy the ocean. So do it, said to me, say, baby girl, over there, sir, come go over into the water already, create excitement because the sun come out now. That's why yesterday morning, no. Let me show you, man, love blood clot challenge me. And crossfire where we partner with them have. So do it, say, baby girl, you know, so them have bad straightening up the sun. I say, I lie. I never tell do nothing. Say, I want to go over there, you know. I do it, drive, go over there. So we drive, go over into the car park. Remember me, man, as able enough, you know. I'm in a trouble blood clot people and let them trouble me. So when we were driving, there was a man sitting in the premises, in the car park. Nice scenery, you know, I tell her, Jamaica just beautiful. I'm frightened over the tree, I'm frightened over the stone, I'm frightened over the almond, I'm frightened over the green mango them on the tree. I'm frightened over the pier, everything I'm excited over. I love my husband. All of them fucking away, I'm excited over. Him help support me. Right, crazies? So no matter tell me about the scenery now, drive going and I saw a man on the light. Right. I say, morning. The man answer me. So we drive up into the premises now, park. But there's a sign right beside where the man says, smoke free. It says smoke-free zone. I say blood clot. I never see that sign there no way. That look good. So we park up in our car now. Come out of the car now. We smoke. Now, the same man that I called to 10 minutes ago. I don't know what joke the man 10 minutes after. I must say I give it time. I must think so we are refugees. The man come up and him say, he might come to you and remember me still like smoking. I said, bumble clot, smoke free zone. I puff my little tools, you know. So when I walk come up to our car, him stop and say something to our next car. So me think a routine. I say, where am I come to you? So if I pay for parking, you know you're pre-wagwan. So the man said to me, say, we park up in here to smoke over in here. So I say, may I enjoy the mother nature? No, no can't stay. Him say you can't stay here. So I say, what do you mean? You park up here and smoke. So I say, listen to me, you know. I said, sir, what? Can I see the side of these box smoke free? It intrigued me. Because I go many places in Jamaica, many places in the world. I never see me there, so no smoke free sign there, so. So I said, sir, my mom is still sitting in my car now. I said, sir, what does smoke free mean? The man said, it means you can't smoke. So I said, so why you come here, sir? And having a go at me, saying that I can't stay. What have I done wrong? I say, you can't stay, miss, you can't stay. I say, move your dirty blood clot. And just start clot. No, lie. Him say, you can't here, stay here. So I said, you can't. Well, you can't stay. So I said, so in order to stay, sir, how do I go about it? No, just come out, I said, But if they're sticking to my... No, miss, just come, Mr. Say, move your blood clot. If me make you can't smoke dirty blood, where? Now, people take up things from them own. I'm a queen, we should have security, we should have guard. But because I grow so rough, I'm down to earth, you know. But just bugs along. I may say, you know what, Queenie? You saw them blood clot people I tell liberty with you. All of the concern, you know. I enjoy my island, you know what the man do? When we cross the road, remember, I didn't work, you know. So anything coming in your surrounding, you are going to observe it. The man see me and my husband a ramp car early morning. When I play no music, all me I do I watch the water. Me take up some ham and some stone, me and my husband just a ramp. But the fact that him they cross the road in the early morning and so what part they must say, so we don't live nowhere. Me don't know where man are thinking of. I don't know what the man was thinking. So when we drive go by the part where him there now is a tourist attraction, you know. So you're supposed to park, is a bad slave in something up there. You're supposed to say the little man, me say, hey, so remember say what next blood clot man I take, me just say fuck off. And I take the blood clot set for me and drive out and play. No. You gotta tell me, no, can't stay. You have to leave, Me say, what do you mean? It's an attraction. How do I go about? No, go on. So I say, why are you telling me to go? The sign is there. Hey. Sometimes I say, Queenie, why? Me, to take up the world for my head, I'm mad, you know. But I choose not. My happy spirit, my excited spirit. Look like this morning. I said, do it. Where I catch a sea view, I'm going to go live and promote the business. I make them see the view. You don't know what's going to happen when we wake this morning and see the time. I said, Jesus Christ got me oversleep. So, but there at Jamaica all concert pan down at the North Coast here. On the strip yesterday, man. Me and my husband park up. We listen to the wind. You know, we just rehabilitate anything we can rehabilitate. I said, the man, I say, Queenie, hey, you know, I'm not disrespectful unless somebody disrespect. Hey, me one nice fool, you know. Hey. Sometimes I wonder, Israeli people at Jamaica, you can't eat. Sometimes you have to serve for them. Some of them dark. Because I think that man was dark yesterday, man. The man said, well, I can't stay here. You have to come out. No, him not say, oh no, you have to come out. And he was pointing directly to me. I said, do it. Why the man they have so much serious? So I check it back and realize, so we park across the road. So you waking up early morning. You know you're surrounded at Jamaica people and you notice a car there. What the fuck is one big titty woman come out? Alright, you don't know a Queenie. But be respectable. Don't come tell me about why you park up in here and smoke. So I say, sir, Jamaica people is very prejudiced. A lot of them and them don't. All of them have blood clot, not them. Them dark. Sorry. I'm not a lie. Them dark. The man